A little too early? What time is it?
23.
It's fine, yeah, we can wait right here. We don't have to go in right now. You gonna smoke? I could grab off you?
I just grabbed two.
Just grabbed two?
Sorry.
Puffs? I just
Yeah.
quit anyways. I shouldn't even be smoking. So yeah, hey, thanks for coming, brother.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you as well, Mr. Penguin, sir.
Guys, we're here with Footloose, aka Frank Staples, and Jason Gerhard, State Rep Jason Gerhard, and they're going to be filming today. And
Well,
you guys,
we're here for a first appearance because we were already here filming and got arrested, and they charged us for disobeying a lawful order, right? And disobeying has to be, you have to be disobeying a law.
Yeah, a law.
They're telling you not to break, and there is no, they don't reference any law or anything, so.
in their
it's
own
a
rules on the
secondary charge.
wall.
And their own rules say we're allowed to film in the lobby. So regardless of any of that, even if there was some sort of rule or something, it's unconstitutional. It's a local rule in practice that has no force of law or penalty behind it. So you can't just say a right, a natural right, is illegal because you say, oh, you can't do it here in a public forum. We got Glick versus Cuniff, which says we're allowed to film police in the course of their duties, and there's a lot of police here, Homeland Security and federal police.
Absolutely.
So I 100% have a right to film them in the course of their duties, and while they follow me around the building. And I'm here sui juris.
You guys gonna go in?
What time is it?
You really want to make this last minute?
No, what time is it?
25.
25. So yeah, no, we're
It's kind of cold.
We're gonna wait for Roseanne. She should be here. Any
Oh,
second.
yes.
Oh, there's somebody else coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Oh,
we don't
there's
want to
Bill.
go in, because we're going to be recording in there. And if they're not going to let us in, they're going to have to arrest me again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Herd immunity. This is what we call herd immunity, people.
Yeah. I'm actually my beard's gonna grow a little longer now.
Oh.
Take her longer.
Bill D, how's it going, sir?
Hey.
So, should I just leave my coffee out here?
That's the idea. You're gonna lose it, but
You think?
I left the water out here for Ian's thing.
Hey, what's up?
Should be fine.
How goes?
How's it going, brother?
Good. Chris, some amazing stuff you did a few weeks ago on rebuttals and all that.
So, I'm going to let them know we're here.
Crypto 6 stuff.
oh yeah.
Yeah. We spent a lot of effort into that.
Yeah, I spent like 8 hours.
Very
Are they
impressive.
going in?
That's a lot of cops.
Stay out. Fuck.
Hey, he told me that I had to be screened over
Oh.
and FPS says otherwise.
You got to be screened to sit down.
Yeah.
And here we are. And their dedication, hard work, and vision have resulted in a dignified, functional, and pleasing public forum for the citizens of New Hampshire. This is the dedication of the building, this courthouse. It is a public forum. Okay? And these are police officers, federal police. We are allowed to film police in the course of their duties as well. So,
Fix this.
let's get this show on the road. So, well, here's Roseanne as well. Well, I don't know what you guys want to do here, but I'm here to present myself, the special proceeding. I have all my notes and everything that I me to represent.
Hello.
Okay? I have to have my phone. All my stuff is on my phone. I do not. I lost my wallet the other day, honestly.
He told me.
Put the marshal down here.
I had to.
I can stand.
He told me I had to go through the security in order to sit down and wait for him.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, possible. You're not calling the judge? I'll call the clerk. Yeah.
The seat's kind of right here.
I mean, I'm not going to get screened if I'm not going through. I'm waiting for them to go to court.
Yeah. I'm here as press, and this is.
Your dad, I might be important. So yeah, you guys want to inhibit my access to the court? It's going to be on you. You're going to be liable. Putting you on notice right now. It's going to be a malice standard because you know I have the right to do it. There's also an exception to people who are representing themselves to have their electronics in the courtroom. Okay? So you might want to check your own rules before we get this party started.
Heads up.
Yep.
Start it now. Footloose, start that now.
What?
Hey, start that now. All right. What I talked about last night? Start it now.
What? Hey, how's it going?
Hey, what's up? So we have a court appearance at 10:30? Yeah. So we're here.
So the judge has ordered that you guys cannot be filming in the building. Okay. There's a written order from the judge.
I have a right to film police. So if the judge is
You can film me outside.
no, I can film you in the course of your duties. Glick versus Kunin, First Circuit
I'm not
decision.
gonna get into
So if you want to arrest me again,
No, I don't
for
want to arrest anyone.
well, then you're gonna have to. There's one of two ways it's gonna go. You're gonna not let me in, or you're gonna let me in. One or the other.
You have to comply with the rules.
And the rules are that I am representing myself and I'm allowed to bring my electronics in there. It says it. There's an exception to people who are representing themselves.
Hold on a second. But attorneys can bring in their cell phones, correct? So if we're representing ourselves,
I have my
similar
documents
jurors.
here. I have my first appearance
Okay, let's
filing.
look at it.
Yep.
I get it. Listen, I don't
Look it
like
up and talk to the judge.
these are all detailed.
We're not requesting anything. We're doing it. We're doing it. I'm here doing it, and I'm coming in there one way or the other with my phone because I have here all my notes. Well, then what are you gonna do? You're just gonna leave me here in the lobby?
No, you can't hang out in the lobby.
Well, I'm here to see the judge. I need to see the judge. So if you want to bring me to the front of the judge in handcuffs, that's on you. Or you want to arrest me?
That will be on you.
No, that's fine, of course. So I'm trying to get in there with my electronics. So you're saying you're not going to let me in with my electronics,
No.
with my documents, and even though I am representing myself, you're violating your own rules, correct?
No.
There is a rule that has an exception to parties who are representing themselves. I'm allowed to bring my stuff in there. And how am I going to represent myself if I don't have all my notes? That's what I'm wondering. Can you tell me that, sir?
Hey, what's up? We got a 10:30 court appearance.
Yeah. And what you trying to do?
So he,
Trying to see the
oh,
judge.
just, yeah.
I have an AD. I also need trying to talk to the clerk, trying to get reasonable accommodation for ATA. I have a right to create my own documents. I have a right to film police in the course of their duties, like first student.
Not in here.
Sure, it's a public forum, sir. Would you agree that this is a public forum?
I don't need to see it. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, you do actually.
I don't need
It
to see
says
it.
it's a public forum.
Let's go.
So let's go what? What does that mean?
Pass this form.
That's at what point?
This right here.
Where? I don't see in No, sir.
No, we have
I have work.
hearing at 10:30.
I have work at 10:30, and I have my first
You got court at 10:30, then you're gonna abide by the rules and regulations that we set, and that's it.
No, the rules say if you're, so for instance, real quick.
But I don't want to hear none of your rules.
They are your rules. They are your rules.
Seriously.
They are your rules. There is an exception.
Okay. Oh, we can talk.
I don't need two people talking. I'm
get it.
just telling you right now.
We both have court.
You're filming right now, okay? And why are you filming this? That's what I want to know.
Because it's our First Amendment protected activity.
Okay, it might be.
I don't film.
Right now. Look,
You're on notice, and you just agreed that it might be, so you're going to be a malicious prosecution if you go further. You want to arrest me for filming? Brother, I'm telling you, you want to arrest me for protected activity, go right ahead. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. So you want to arrest me again? Arrest me again. Let's go.
You're going to get arrested again, I'm telling you right now.
That's
so,
fine.
all I can tell you right now is no filming. Past this point. That's it. That's
Past
it.
the lobby?
You can make whatever
Past
points
the
you
lobby,
want.
right? We're allowed to film the lobby, is that what you're saying? Are
I'm
you
just
saying we're
telling
allowed
you.
to film the lobby?
I'm just telling you
Because
right now.
this says we're allowed to film the lobby, right?
Past this point right here,
This-
you ain't going no
This
further.
says we're allowed to film the lobby, correct?
You ain't going no further than right here.
So we're allowed to film the lobby,
You ain't
correct?
going no further than
Frank,
right here.
stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah, he made it clear. He made it clear.
He made it clear.
All right.
No, not really.
Stop. All right. Let me just say something. Okay, I'm also defending this thing. I'm actually got a little. Oh, let me put this on. It changes everything. State rep. Okay. So the problem is this: we want to challenge the inability to record. Just follow me. Beyond this, it's a public building, public forum.
Right.
Okay. So let me explain. So we got arrested on 9/11. We're here now to challenge the ticket that we were given a violation by some of your colleagues. So we would like you either to call the clerk and to clarify if the rules don't apply, because it says that if you're representing yourself, attorneys can bring cell phones in. I don't understand why somebody as a member of the Bar Association has a higher standing than one of the people who gave you the authority to do what you're doing right now.
Your power comes from us.
All right, stop. I respect what you're doing. No, seriously, I respect what you're doing. I get it. But at the same
All
time,
your powers come from us. If you have
Frank,
that power,
stop.
we have that
I
power.
Wait,
get it.
just-
I get it. Just stop. So what I'm trying to say is this. We're trying to assert our rights under the Constitution, okay? So that's what we're all trying to get. I'm not getting in a screaming match. I don't care about like the theatrics of it all. I want this to go up to the Supreme Court and all the rest of the shit, okay? I want to use the system for the system's purpose. So that's where we're going. So can you please let the clerk, the judge, God, somebody know that we're here. We don't want to have a bench warrant put out. I gotta get to the State House later this flash for a meeting at 1 o'clock, a hearing. That's what we're trying to establish. I don't want to get a scream match.
Okay, if you want to establish that.
Yes.
All I'm telling you is, I'm not telling you you can't go see the clerk. I'm not telling you you can't go see him. I'm telling you no filming past this point. That's all I'm saying.
So can I ask a question, sir?
That's,
Why were we arrested here in the lobby last time for filming?
I wasn't here.
Oh, well, that's what we're here for
Well,
today.
all I'm
And
telling
you're
you-
not arresting us now.
All I'm telling you right,
It's pretty funny, isn't it, guys? These guys were all there. They're
But
like,
they
they know
wasn't
what
there.
time it is.
And
They
guess
know
what?
y'all.
Guess what? I'm the commander. I'm telling you, right here, past this point, no filming. Period.
And I'm telling you,
No,
there's
you
an
ain't telling me anything.
Oh, I am telling you everything. I'm
you can
telling
say
you
what
because
you
you
want
don't
to say.
know.
You can say what
Okay?
you want to say. It's going in one ear and come out this other ear. That's it.
So you don't care about your own rules.
That's it.
You don't care about your own
It's
rules.
going in this one ear and coming out the other ear.
Well, at
Period.
least you're honest with us.
All right?
At least he's honest with us.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you, past this point, you're not going to be filming. Period.
And okay.
Period.
Aside from filming, sir,
Period. You
I
can go
have
through-
my case that I am using, all my documents that I have with my notes that I prepared last night for this first appearance.
How
is
did
on.
how did you prepare? On the phone?
Yes, sir.
You typed everything on that phone.
Yes, sir. I
It's
do
not
everything
unheard
on
of
my phone.
nowadays.
People live on those things. Trust
You
me.
typed everything on
So
that
you
phone.
want me to have it on?
Are you undermining his ability?
Why you ask this question? To make it easier on yourself, would it have been knowing that you already know that you can't take a phone in there? You already
No,
know
there's
that.
a rule that gives an exception to people who are representing themselves, sir. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You don't care. It's only one ear and out the other, right?
Exactly.
You don't care about your own rules, do
No,
you?
guess
So
what?
fuck around and find out. Do
Guess
whatever the
what?
fuck you want to do, bro.
We're
I'm
gonna
here
have-
trying to get
we-
through
we
with my
gotta
phone
have-
to present
I'm not
myself.
gonna sit here and argue with you.
Oh, you are arguing with me.
No, no.
You you are. Yes, you are.
I'm laying
Of
the
course
law
you are.
down
You say you're not, but you
what's gonna
are.
happen.
It's going in one ear and out the other, ain't it?
Yes, it is. What you say?
yeah.
So,
Sure.
That's
I'm real.
what I want to hear.
What is
Bring
it
it
about?
down. Bring it down.
It's going in one ear, out the other.
No, raise it up, bro.
All right, stop. Let him say what he's gonna say. Let him say what he's
What
gonna
you gonna say? What you gonna do?
And look, you can sit here all day long and say what you want to say. I'm telling you, you ain't getting past this
I'm
point.
calling the clerk.
Call the clerk. If the clerk want to come down here and talk to you, that's fine. Call him. But I'm telling you right now, you're not getting past this point.
What if it changes? What if she says, yeah, you're allowed to? You're going to like go, oh, okay, go ahead, sir. Are you sticking to your words? It's going to go through one ear, out the other with the clerk?
Who the hell are you?
I don't answer questions. Hey, sir. No, you work for me. You work for me. I'm the one asking questions here. I'm the one asking questions. You're being disorderly, sir. You're not answering my questions. I don't have to answer your questions. No one's got to answer your questions. You know that, right?
We were arrested last time. Why are we not being arrested now? You don't know?
Why don't you just move over here?
I'm moving over.
Hey, why don't you move over there? You go move over there.
Move me.
Hey, do your job. Do your job.
Move me.
All I can tell you guys, and I'm just going to leave it at this.
Respect my personal space. You're about to catch COVID from me.
It's kind of gross.
Well, I don't have COVID before, so that's fine.
Okay, good. I hope you're not vaccinated.
Well, I sure am.
Oh boy.
Oh, there goes those proteins.
Well, guess what? It's my life. So
Yeah, you make your own choices. And you're making a choice here today to violate people's rights. You're making that choice too, just like the vaccine.
all I can tell you
Yeah.
is I understand what you're here for. But you got to understand my rule and what I have.
No, I get it. I get it.
You got to understand that.
I do.
Yeah, and I believe
If you
that.
can't understand that, guess what? We ain't going nowhere.
I just believe that your methods and your training has been lacking.
That's your choice. That's
Well, I mean, it's showing now. As an educated citizen, I am telling you that you're very uneducated with the law.
I guess you said I'm not educated.
No, I believe you're not. Yeah, your vest, your badge doesn't mean anything. They literally hire cops because they have lower IQ than the rest of the people because they can't be smart and take these positions.
Well, guess what? You ain't getting past this point.
I didn't ask.
You ain't getting past this point. That's all I can tell
I
you.
never asked.
And you such a smart guy.
Thank you.
Why would
That's
you
the smartest thing you've said all day.
Why would you need to have a phone to record all this?
Well, now I have it on record, right?
Well, you keep it on record. I don't care.
Okay, then don't worry.
I just put your hands on
Well, I'm asking one of you guys, could you get me the clerk's phone number, please?
Well, you're the one got to go to court, so that's your responsibility.
What?
You're the one got to go to court. That's your responsibility.
Yeah, but they have the number. They have their number.
You guys have this?
Hey, it's
Recorded, and I am documenting this, how helpful you are.
it's the job of the government to decipher information when needed, and he needs to call the clerk.
Record, it's public information, you have to provide your public information forms. Can you, Bill, go up and give the clerk's number for me? Let the clerk know that we're down here trying to get in. Please, sir, thank you so much. Yeah. You guys, not with the phone, sir. Not with the phone. Yes, with the phone. Yes, with the phone.
Not coming in, and I guess they're going to put on the big.
Well, I don't know why you guys aren't arresting me for filming in the lobby like you did last time.
Well,
Why are you telling me not to film in the lobby? Where's the direct order? Where's the lawful order? So you see what I'm doing here? I'm generating evidence to smash this thing if it does go to trial, where it should get dismissed today at this first appearance for lack of subject matter in partial jurisdiction.
Why don't you?
No. Why don't you let it go in one ear and out the other? I thought you weren't listening to nothing that I said. I thought you weren't listening to nothing that I said. So why don't you zip your lip, Commander, Captain America, Captain Nazi, freaking Stasi? Come on. Yeah, you're a Nazi. You Homeland Security, dude. You're a fucking Nazi.
It is equivalent.
It is equivalent.
Well,
100%.
I can say the same
I don't care
for you.
what
Oh yeah?
skin tone is, how much melanin.
I'm not the one. Hey,
Into the question.
hey, I'm not
say the same for you.
the one. Hey, I'm not the one dressed up as a jackboot thug. There's a difference.
Well, you look like a thug to me, so hey.
Hey, I don't know what neighborhoods you roll in, but I don't look like no thug.
He's coming out here like some gangster.
Well, it might be.
It is a nice jacket, huh? It's a nice
You're
jacket.
the biggest. You guys are the biggest gang in the country.
Okay.
Yeah, in the
That's
world.
pretty-
No, the federal police force actually is the largest. Oh no, corrections. Federal corrections is the largest police force in the.
All I can tell you guys is that if you want to make this thing go smoothly,
Yeah.
Yeah.
just not bring your phone.
I have to bring my phone in.
The only thing I'm worried about is if I do that, then I'm basically, well, everything else I did previously is a waste of time.
Right.
Because I was arrested in the same spot.
Right here, doing the same thing.
So I'm confused now how that was
What?
illegal. I'm facing a charge for something that I'm not being charged with now.
But you know what? I'm trying to give y'all leeway, okay? That's the reason why you're getting arrested now. I'm trying to.
You mean America is the only leeway I go
I'm
with?
trying to understand. You already been charged, okay? I'm trying to understand why you can't understand what I'm trying to do to get you on your way, so you can go.
Well,
do
can
what
you
you have to do.
can you arrest us and bring us to the judge?
No, so I can't take you to the judge.
Well, I have a hearing, but
Did you go to the judge when you got arrested last time?
no, we went back there.
Yeah, you didn't go to see the judge. You did not go see the judge.
I understand, but I'm saying I'm told I have to be somewhere at 10:30 under penalty of basically being shot by the government. So I want to go there so I can get this out of the way.
I understand. I see what you're saying.
I've been
All
here
I'm telling you
since
is,
10:25.
that's all I'm saying. The bottom line, you cannot bring it in.
Because we were.
Oh, is he on the phone with the clerk?
Look, you have a marshal right there that can handle all this stuff, and he knows that he can handle it. He just won't.
They said DHS is the one that, because now you guys are in charge of the building. Is that how it works? Okay, so you're the top dog, whatever. But you're like,
All I'm telling you is, you can like this. And our order is that.
all right, I got you.
If you can't understand that, I don't know what to tell you.
Well, we're definitely having a misunderstanding, but I think it's
Well,
based.
it's a misunderstanding, but you have to understand that, hey, all I'm telling you, you can't bring that in. I ain't telling you you can't come in.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you you can't bring that in.
Not gonna do a security check on her or check her ID? Photo ID required right there. Yeah, don't worry that they violate our rights, not yours.
I don't think I'm violating your rights.
Well, actually, the photo ID requires is a Fourth Amendment
I'm
violation.
talking to you.
I'm talking to you. What is the deal? Why is the gaslighting happening?
Mandated by law to get ID. How are they supposed to show up in court?
Did you got an order to show up in court? Did you got an order to show up in court?
We're not talking about that.
I'm not. He's not answering questions. We're the one asking questions.
One of these guys said they cannot have ID.
This gentleman right here.
Yeah.
These two gentlemen right here got to go to court. Now, what you do with that, and what you do with that, you ain't going past this point. You
I didn't
ain't going
ask.
past that point, and he ain't going past it.
I didn't ask.
Well, it's good.
How about this? How about this? Don't tell me what to do.
Well,
I have to say that with all due respect, you're actually helping us out big time because I was arrested right there. So you're saying we could have done that. So that means that we beat the charge, basically.
Yeah, it's done.
I'm not trying to tie you up. I'm just saying it's awesome.
tell you what, I'm trying to
Beat
say
the
that.
fucking charge, and now we're gonna beat the charge.
You can say what you want to say about being
Hello.
Well, no, I'm saying, but I'm sorry.
I have nothing to do with it. I'm telling you right here, all I'm trying to do is help y'all guys out. Y'all don't want to hear what I got to say. Because your mind is made up. You want to try to use that to use that. You use whatever you want. All I'm trying to tell you, you're not going no further than right here.
The security guy down here says he doesn't care about the exception to.
And the same way if you can't use a gun or something like that, or some weapon that's prohibited in this building.
Hold on, you can't equate a camera to a gun. Come on, that's not even on the same par.
No. A camera is a gun according to cops.
With something that's prohibited to be in this building.
Okay.
You ain't going past this point.
They are actually not arresting us for filming the lobby now.
So,
They are letting us film in the lobby.
I
So
can put
why
you out
are
the
we
door.
here and why are we?
Oh, I don't doubt it. You definitely got an advantage on me.
I mean, we can put you out the door. I'm just trying to help y'all guys to get on your way.
That is why we're filming.
I hear you.
And that is why
So,
we will
I'm not
continue
trying to
to
make your
film.
life
And if
hard.
you guys don't want to let us in,
Necessarily. I
you
just
can
want
tell
to
the judge.
understand how.
I also am
Even though
asking
it's
for a
crazy,
reasonable
when I did
amount
something 3 months ago was illegal right here, but now it's not.
I'm not saying it's not illegal. I'm telling you, all I'm saying to you is right now.
You have the
I'm
right
trying
to
to
record
help
create
you
documents
to
in
get
a
on your
public
way
place,
to go see
then
this
so
place.
do we.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, this plaque here says this building is a dedicated public
Well, yeah, basically, if you don't do it,
public forum for the citizens of New Hampshire.
I'm trying to avoid the whole warrant game.
And I am too.
If you can, let
So
the
all you gotta
judge
do,
know that I am
put 'em
here
away,
to present myself,
leave 'em,
sui
Go
juris,
where you want, do it.
via special appearance, and so is this other gentleman, Jason Gerhard. If we're
I can't help you no further.
stopped in the lobby and we're asking for escort from the clerk, because that's also in your rules, that the clerk can escort us to film places in special proceedings, and this is a special proceeding, 100%. Because if we were arrested last time in the lobby for doing what we're doing now, in a much more peaceful and quiet fashion, then why aren't we being arrested here now today, right here?
If you listen to
Okay,
what I'm
it's a
telling you,
slam dunk.
I could arrest
So
What?
the judge does not know
What?
who they're playing
I
with.
have no attitude when I want to arrest you.
Yeah, okay.
You know? I don't have to arrest
But
you.
my guy said, I just want to challenge the rule. That's what I'm trying to get at.
Well, challenge it the right way. You don't need a phone to challenge it.
But the rule.
We're in the lobby. If the judge wants to hold us in contempt,
You don't
bring us in there and handcuffs, that's what we're willing to do. But I have to
You
bring
don't
my
need to hold
electronics
a
in
challenge.
there to,
You need-
to
you-
have my document, that I have to present myself and argue my jurisdictional arguments and whatnot is all on my phone.
That was your
Okay, and I am to be recorded via rules and exceptions.
Hey, freedoms don't end right there, right? Freedoms don't end right there.
First Cuniff, First Circuit 2011 decision,
I'm just being serious.
we are allowed to record public officials and police in the course of their duties.
Well, I'm not saying that.
And that is what I'm doing here today. I am not in a restricted area. There is no restricted areas that I'm trying to record in.
Is it?
I have a right to wear a body cam, and these police officers here that I have a right to film do not have body cams.
Just lock them over there.
Why don't they have body cams? So that makes more of a right for me to be able to film these interactions, because once the body cam goes, my body cam goes off, we don't know what transpired then, do we? No, we don't.
She can tell.
Because you would people understand what I'm saying.
What makes you think I don't understand what you're saying?
Thank you so much.
Well, let's say it like this.
Seems like she's being accommodating.
She is. The clerks are always usually pretty good.
I understand how you're acting, how you're behaving, and I'm not necessarily disagreeing.
Well, you know, I would be
Just for the record, this guy hasn't told me to leave yet. No one's told us to leave.
No, because they can't.
So if they pounce on us, they're going to be without warning.
It's over, boom, out the door. Yeah. I can tell.
They can't.
I'm trying to get you there.
Hold on, right now, and get away with it. That doesn't change the fact. It might be illegal.
If you do that, all I ask.
Yeah, I was just transferred over here. I'm in the lobby. My name is Frank Staples. I'm here to present myself.
Hey.
Sui juris.
Thompson?
via special
Thompson.
appearance. And,
Thompson.
for
Thompson, can I show you some?
in the
Thompson.
lobby for recording.
This is right here.
Now I'm here in the
Pro
lobby.
se litigants and others may extend similar privileges upon application to the clerk of the court and show of good cause for a particular need for an exception. And this is the exceptions regarding photography. That's exactly what he's quoting, and it's right here in our face. And you're not going to do anything about it. You're not going to follow the rule.
I'm following the judge's rule.
This is, hey, the judge's rules could be unconstitutional, and you could be, losing your qualified immunity right now because you said you're well trained, right? You're a well trained officer.
Have it go in one ear out the other.
No, qualified immunity is gone
What does the clerk say?
I'm not going to listen to no more of this.
because your qualified immunity is gone.
If it's gone, it's gone.
It is rules right here, rules right there.
Guess what?
You're in violation of your own rules.
I don't need you to tell me anything, sir. I know the law.
Are you gonna try to hide the rules now?
Hide it. You already took a picture of it. They're not gonna hide it. You got it all on your phone.
Do you have it memorized? Do you have these rules memorized?
Do you?
I just read them. I have them fresh in my mind. Well, you're assuming that you know it all, and you haven't even read it, and you're enforcing things you don't even know. So we need to go along with this game, this charade.
That's your opinion, sir.
It's not an opinion. The rules are right there.
Good. Let me talk to the clerk.
Man, you show.
He's like, I never dealt with nothing like this before.
Yeah, trust me.
Oh, no, you haven't.
Yeah, I have.
I don't know what you station, New York or something.
I was in New York. I've been in lots of places.
I'm from Homeland myself.
No. He's never been in the position as a defendant yet.
Well, you never know, man.
Yeah, you don't know. You know my background, bro.
Hi.
Well, stop practicing defense.
I left a voicemail. Nobody was there. So, I don't know if... Oh, I just spoke to someone. So I'm here for a court hearing at 10:30. I've been here since 10:25 with another gentleman who was also here to present himself sui juris, be a special appearance at our first appearance today, because we were arrested for recording in the lobby here on 9/11. We are here today now filming in the lobby, and for some reason, we're not being arrested. And they're saying we're allowed to film in the lobby. So I'm wondering why I'm here, why I was arrested to begin with. And I'm wondering why I am not being allowed to film our public officials and police in the course of their duties under Glick v. Kuniv, 2011 First Circuit case, which is binding here. Yeah, one moment. Put me in touch with somebody who would do something.
And to answer your question, I'm allowing you to use the camera.
You are not allowed.
Whoa.
You didn't ask permission. Did I ask you permission? Did I ask you permission?
That's what you
Did I ask you permission? Did I ask you permission? Did I ask you permission?
Well, you have to ask permission to be allowed.
I did not.
You know what?
You know what? Nothing. I know everything that you
Hey,
don't know.
that-
This
Okay?
guy right here
Hey,
is wearing thin.
What's that?
He's wearing really thin.
Oh,
Thin.
wearing thin.
Wearing thin. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What you gonna do? Nothing. You gonna let it go in one ear and out the other? I thought.
The reason he's not
How's
doing
it
anything
wearing
right
thin?
now is because he knows you want to be arrested.
It's reverse psychology. Simple. It works on them. Do I really want to be arrested? Or do I not want to be arrested? That's the question. So it's like triple reverse psychology. It's like inverse reverse psychology.
honestly, all you need is the threat of arrest, and that's enough ground. But the arrest is better.
Sure, I don't care. Threat? He hasn't threatened to arrest us yet. He hasn't
Like I
told us
say,
to leave.
I'm allowing you to do what
You haven't allowed nothing.
Well, that's why
Tyrant.
you're doing it.
You haven't allowed nothing, tyrant.
I ain't been a tyrant, not
Tyrant.
That's it.
Tyrant. What?
You're on hold?
She said, I got to another clerk. It's not the same one. She's looking for somebody. Thank you. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. If that's what you're going to make us do, that's fine. Thanks. It's got to be, so to communicate with the judge, you got to put it in writing. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
How do you file a motion without having to go through security?
She's coming down.
Oh, she is. Okay.
That's why they wouldn't give us the number so that we could talk to the clerk and get this done. It's going to happen a lot easier. You guys made this much more difficult than it needed to be. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm not the one.
You laugh, but this is our rights. This is freedom. This is what you are working for, is freedom. But apparently you're doing just the opposite.
You
And
got all the freedom you're gonna have right there.
yeah, and you're not going to have freedom when you lose your qualified immunity.
Thanks,
Well, I ain't worried about it.
Thanks for giving us our freedoms here, tyrant.
I'll be just like you on the other side of my phone saying, hey,
I hope you join us. I hope you join us. Thank you. That's the most encouraging word you've had all day.
I won't be joining you, but
Yeah, you do your thing, I'll do mine.
yes.
No, not you. I don't care what you do. Shoot me, tase me, spray me. I don't give a fuck. Shit. Yeah, you know, you've seen the videos. You've seen everything. I know you've seen it all, bro.
Been in the video.
No, you've seen, yeah, you probably helped spray me one time. You probably helped restrain me. Okay?
I wouldn't spray. I'll tell you before I spray you.
Yeah, well, I appreciate
Yeah,
that
it's more
because
deadly.
I prefer the taser.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I said that.
I prefer that. I rip the wires out and I say, give me another one. You've seen the video. Come on, don't play. Yeah, it's on video. You know it is, and it's a training video. So.
What are you filling out anyway?
I don't know. I'm trying. Okay.
Well, I think we gotta give part of the
Yes. We're gonna have to get them. We're gonna get these up there and whatever. And Judge, this is how we're gonna communicate with the judge from the lobby. Motion for special appearance.
The legal system's pretty inefficient, it seems.
Special.
The what?
It's pretty inefficient. I like send this to get, you know what I mean?
They want it on the record. I don't know the case number.
It's 662. I mean, do you have the same one as me?
Actually, I think I might have it. Let me see.
I didn't actually bring mine.
Violation number.
I actually had that only on my phone.
There is no case number.
No, it says violation number. Same thing, right?
No.
I don't know about that.
No, it's not. Unknown.
Case is probably different than the violation number, but
No.
I'm more familiar with state courts.
This is when we should be getting like our official complaint.
Oh, with the actual
I
real.
think, with maybe the stuff in it. Plaintiffs, unknown.
Oh yeah, because we don't even know who actually brought the trial.
I don't know who the victim is. Who's the victim?
What's that?
Who's the victim of us exercising our First Amendment protected activities?
Who's the victim? I guess
Who's the
you're
victim? I'm the victim? I am the victim of the government, of the tyranny. He's right, we're the victim of the tyranny.
Accurate.
Accurate. You got one. You got it that time.
No cap.
Right?
We should always put all rights reserved just in case.
What is it?
Signature needs to, all needs to be signature, all rights reserved. I mean, I want to reserve all my rights.
So I would put special appearance reserved.
Now, do you put like the ADA stuff and all that?
That's what I'm going to be putting, yeah. And part of my, I'll mention ADA thing, and you have that rule, Andy, that they don't want to hear. Well, the parties representing themselves thing. It's page 45, I think.
Oh, the local rule.
Yeah, their local rule.
I gotta get it out of here.
Yeah, their local rule that allows us to bring electronics in. They're a local rule that you know about. That you're on notice and you're being malicious. Yep. So I have a non-attached memo of lawyer because
Putting you guys to work today. Putting you guys to work today.
everything, he's
What?
being lazy,
Oh.
you don't want to arrest
I hate
him.
work.
Everything.
You missing Monday night? Oh no, wait, this is Monday night football.
My,
What's going on? What were you just watching before you came down here?
Before I came down here,
Yeah,
I was asleep.
he was. He admits it. He was asleep.
and
On the job?
I didn't stay on the job. Before I came here, I was at home.
You guys want to get him for insubordination?
No, you were trying to say you were sleeping on the job.
No, before I came here, I was home.
Oh. I mean, you came down because we're here.
Nah, I've been here waiting for your guy.
I don't get it, man. I don't see it on here. What the fuck?
it's at the very end of that.
Oh, here it is. I'm
48.
trying to find the actual document itself.
This is why phones are important. Look at this.
See, that's why we need our device so we can pull up the local rules, and I have everything in my phone. I have all the stuff I need in my phone because I'm not just somebody that's in the pews watching.
They're trying to be green, go paperless, you know?
Okay. Yeah, that's I'm trying to boost my ESG score.
All right. So what is this? Yeah. What page are you talking about?
It's 48, I believe.
This guy doesn't care about that environment.
Yeah. 48.
You just let it
right?
pass. Yeah, I know the type. Hey, you ever heard about lead though? With your paint, when you stop putting lead paint on buildings?
Because Wi-Fi.
Stop the
100%. 100%.
Stop doing that wall.
No, people that have horsehair walls have original lead paint like
So-
embedded in them, and they have really hard time with
And this
Wi-Fi
is
in their homes.
actually,
Well, actually, kids was eating the paint.
Well, we know that.
And,
Well, they say that though, but I mean, I don't know how much they care. But so I was working in New York City, in Brooklyn, right? Under the L. Every time that train would just do brick painting stuff. Every time that train would go, chunks. That, you know, the pumpkin orange paint was come. Nobody gave a shit. It was in the hood in Brooklyn, you know. But like they make it seem like nobody cares. That shit's.
When they cause inflation, then the kids don't have anything to eat. They end up eating the paint chips.
Or the tunnels.
exception under, hold on, are you ready for it? It's 83.8. It is the rule on photographing and broadcasting, and there are exceptions under C.
Guys, it's right there.
And what is the exception?
It says pro se litigants and others may be extended similar privileges upon application to the clerk of court and showing of good cause for particular need for an exception.
And I don't work for the clerk.
And that's why I tried to get you guys to put me in touch with the clerk of courts, which is security's job. It is also security's job. I can find that rule too, where you guys have to, it's your fucking job.
Hey, could you guys just do their job for them already?
If you just read
Lazy ass bitch.
No. That there's no RSA attached to that. Right here, this right here is exactly what they read. 83.8. Section C at the very end, right there, pro se litigants.
And that's directions right there.
No, hey, I ignore this stuff. This stuff doesn't have RSAs attached to it. There's no, it doesn't cite
That's
anything.
for dressing.
Doesn't cite anything.
It don't.
It's actually manipulative because it's not telling you the full rule. The full rule is right there, and that is not a total truth.
And you can find the full rule in lots of other places too. You know?
You mean like America with the Constitution?
Under
Well,
part
you know, lots of
C.
people don't believe in the Constitution.
Exception.
You probably one of them.
So no. The Constitution applies, right? We have the right to First Amendment, we have the right to Second Amendment, Third, Fourth,
Exactly.
Fifth, right? And what are you
And
doing?
guess what? Guess what? That's why you in this public area right here.
Wait, this is a public area?
Oh, it's a public area. He just admitted on camera. We got him. So why were we arrested last time? You don't know, Captain? Commander?
Right here.
Then you guys fucked us.
You guys fucked up.
This is great.
The other guy fucked up.
Actually, hey, call him as a witness. Call him as a witness.
But he said he's in charge.
Thompson.
Hey, you guys don't need to do anything else now.
Huh?
You don't. Have to, you just admit it. Thompson can be pulled to the stand.
I know. We're gonna call you to the stand, sir, as a witness.
He could be sequestered right now because he's in the courthouse.
Well,
I've been called to the
I'd
stand.
be more than glad to go in there because y'all got it all on film for you.
And you can't. And you just point to this vague sign, and you haven't yet read the actual rule.
But can you read?
I don't answer questions. I'm the one asking questions.
I can't answer yours either.
You know I can read. You're undermining my ability to read because you just saw me read over there. So now you're just degrading people.
I saw you.
I read the whole quote out.
I'm blind.
All right, you don't know nothing.
No, I don't.
That's mine. That's mine.
okay.
Yeah.
Left it outside.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I mean, whatever. I'll just copy me.
I'm like, the guy has the same notebook as me. You know how you know it's mine? Look, ready? Stolen from Hillsborough Police.
I have bad memories sometimes.
Is that what it's saying?
Yeah.
If you have problems, you want to be able to have your, we have to.
Yeah.
Nah, whatever. I don't care. I mean, because that's whatever. I just want to get this challenge. I just want to move up the right. I just
Yeah,
want to get this over with, man. I got shit to do today.
Under the ADA.
They're terrorists, so.
See, the thing is, you're not really selling it because you paid for it.
I know I did. That's why I took it.
So what do you write down here? 'Cause
They had a little squishy stress
yeah.
ball there, too.
I have to present myself for being.
I do have a whole bunch of information on my phone.
Lobby,
Court doc. Actually, all my court documents are on it. I didn't have the hard copies. Of court.
click, the CUNIF. Where's, my phone?
So silly.
It is, click, where's CUNIF? CUNNIFFE.
Oh wait, I'm gonna write soon. I'll write something like that.
Guys, he's hiding himself. That's totally pressing inch now over there in the corner.
Represent myself.
I had to do it, man. I had to do it. Look at now he's leaving. Oh my God. So that's how you get us to leave. You just record us. What is
Well,
it?
that's what the funny thing is. We are being recorded, so it's like, think about this. Me, as a living person, man, right? We create a government that records us, but we can't record the government while they're prosecuting the people that create the government.
Yeah, they're violating our rights right now,
Huh?
if you're wondering.
You're recording me right now.
I'm being
Yeah, but
guarded by a guy
You're
with a gun.
saying I can't go past this point, sir. You're saying I can't go past this point under threat of violence.
Hey,
Tyrants.
hey, Right past.
Oh, you got a gun on your hip, bro. We're not allowed to bring weapons in here. How else are you gonna enforce it through force? You will cuff me, correct?
The badge
This
that
a
you're
hammer, this ain't no
wearing,
gun.
the badge that you're wearing is a threat in and of itself.
And that camera's
Hey.
a threat to me.
It
is.
Oh my God.
Camera's the new gun.
That's a threat to me.
No, that helps you. That helps you.
No, the camera's the new gun.
You know, the gun can help you too.
I get it. That's why we
Hey.
built the cars.
Hey, you know,
It's a
hey,
threat to me.
you know what cameras and guns have in common? They kill cops' careers.
I have a question for you. What is it about the camera that threatens you? Because if it's you doing something illegal and you're afraid that the government is going to come after you for doing something illegal.
Okay.
So I can understand that.
Who do we get this to?
That makes sense to me.
got a
He's gonna plaster my picture all over the damn thing and stuff, man. That's a threat.
But you volunteered to take this job. You weren't forced into this job, right?
Well, that's what.
Part of your job
And
is
guess what?
to accept a certain
It
amount
don't
of
matter. It's still a threat to me. You know?
Hey, Stickles,
In
real quick, I was just trying to find, is that your stuff that's in the bowl?
yes.
Okay, just want to make sure we know.
Hey, who do we give the motion to? Marshall?
We'll get the clerk down here.
You get the
Thank
clerk.
you,
All right,
thank you,
thanks. I
thank you.
appreciate that. So I am here since 10:25 a.m. in the lobby, trying
What time is it, guys?
to
Do you know what time it is?
get
It's 11:10.
40 minutes behind schedule, man.
10:30 a.m. here. Here, yeah. So I guess that's that. I guess, right? What do I do here? Concurrences sought. I certify certificate of service. No, there's no certificate of service.
Oh, no offense, but I want to give it to the clerk so I can say I gave
Man,
it to
you
the
got
clerk.
good handwriting there, bro.
It's all right. Thank you. Appreciate that. Some people say though. I think it's chicken scratch, but
That's good enough for government work.
That's a pretty low barrier anyway, though, right?
This is all scratched up, but that's.
yeah, his is. He does this like hybrid cursive thing.
You signed back, right?
No,
That's,
the side and back, the bottom page. I don't know.
There's signatures and stuff.
Yeah, that's for certificate of service though. That's
Oh.
to certify that you gave it to the prosecution.
Oh, okay.
And that,
Yeah, yeah,
you know what I
yeah.
mean?
So I'm gonna save these extra motions. Right?
Yeah, we'll save the extras.
I mean, if,
That's some extras.
We'll see what they say here. You know, so we see this, we'll point this out again. Weapons prohibited because of 18 U.S.C. 930. There is no statute, there's no United States code or law.
But look at, they posted the whole thing right here.
They derive zero authority to do this. Local rule.
Look right here, right here. Right there, pro se litigants.
And it says it right here.
Yeah, it's
He's
displayed.
Acting, it's already on. You guys already put the notice out here. Pro se litigants are allowed. Look at the last sentence. Exceptions. Pro se litigants are allowed to bring their electronics in there. So you guys talk about following your goddamn rules so much, but it goes in one ear out the other when it goes in our favor,
just
doesn't
chill.
it?
Hey, chill, just chill,
No,
chill,
this
chill.
is bullshit.
Just chill.
I have a right to protest this utter bullshit. And if you want to arrest me for that, free speech, go fucking right the fuck ahead. That's what I'm here for. Arrest me. You guys got motions you want the clerk to see? I think he's bringing.
He has one right there. You have one right there? Yeah, he's just holding on to
Got
it.
one, and then the other guy got one.
No. I have mine right here. I wanted to give it to the clerk.
Oh, he wants to give it directly, so that one's mine?
So it's just floating right here, waiting for the clerk.
I just want to make sure it gets. I don't want to say it got to somebody.
I just want to make sure these rules are being followed and adhered to, why they're not being respected.
Did you guys call the clerk?
When they're in our favor.
Did you call the clerk to take them?
Okay, you guys act like I didn't read every single one of these fucking things.
Hey, Frank,
Which you haven't
do you have to
done.
call the clerk?
No, commander said he was going to give it. So, I don't know if she's coming down.
Be right, I'm gonna hand my phone off and I'm gonna go in, okay?
This is a travesty. And everybody here should be embarrassed to be working for this entity, this fictional creature.
Here she is. The clerk's here. You wanna?
Oh, shit.
He wants to give it directly to you.
Thank you.
And this one too. Thank you.
All right, guys.
So there is always an exception to the rule, and this is it. Right there. Public forum. He even said public space.
I mean, the whole building's a public
The whole
space.
building's a fucking public space. And to say
Except for
you
restricted,
can't
locked areas.
record these fucking tyrants past this point is fucking bullshit. And that's why he doesn't want us to. Because we will catch the tyranny.
What are you on tyranny patrol?
I'm on tyranny patrol. You see this? Shiny badges don't grant extra rights. Supreme law enforcement. I am the Constitution. I speak with my feet.
Wait, what are you, anti-factory or science?
I am the Constitution. Words on paper don't enforce themselves. Right? You guys are not the Constitution. You guys are boot-licking rule enforcers. You don't follow the Constitution. You don't even know the Constitution.
They don't even know their own rules.
They don't even know their own rules. They don't know the exceptions of their own rules. Ridiculous.
All right, here comes Thompson.
It's a disgrace too. I need to sip my coffee. I'll be right back.
All right, just go out that door, that's it.
Yeah.
Go out the door, that's it.
You're out.
I think the
If you want, you can cuff me. I'm not going to take personal offense to it. And then we'll just go to the courtroom and get it over with. Whatever. You want to do that? Okay, cool. They're going to cite us. Just hang out for a second.
Good.
cite us for what?
Cite us again? Good. Cite us. Why aren't you cuffing us and bringing us back there again?
That's what he said he's going to do. Just let him do what they're going to do.
Yeah, they're gonna pounce.
You've been lenient enough with what? Allowing us to film the lobby, which it says we're allowed to do?
There's no discretion, that's what they said.
Whatever.
There you go, guys. Gonna arrest Frank right now.
What is it? Why? For disorderly conduct and failure to comply with what?
Lawful order.
What was the lawful order?
There were a whole bunch of them.
There was a whole bunch of them? Okay.
My God.
So I'm being arrested for a lawful order.
Again? Second time? Come on.
What?
You arrested me last time.
No, I'm not helping you do any of your job, man.
Alright, let me just turn this off. So, real quick, I'm being arrested, right? Okay, so what am I being arrested for? I just want to get some.
They're fine. With the double lock?
Can you tell me what I'm being arrested for?
And so why don't you bring us outside? Because if you bypass security, well, you're gonna bypass security again? You haven't even searched us. So you're gonna bypass and breach security again? No, I'm protesting my arrest. You're arresting me on some bullshit.
I'm gonna go take this out.
I don't give a fuck if I'm giving you a headache. So they're gonna cite me.
Penguin, just move over.
I told you guys, bringing us behind security last time was a breach of your own security.
All right, guys.
I'm guessing that pointer was what?
No, that point is you're going with two.
I'm going with 2?
Yes.
Why? You never asked me to leave. I have on record you never asked me to leave, so if you tell me to leave, I'll leave.
We'll leave.
Okay, there you go. Penguin, he's telling you to leave.
No, you're not. You're not leaving quick.
Penguin, come on. Hey, Penguin, I get the keys? Can you give me keys? And keys?
Yeah. I mean, I presume they're gonna release me in. So
Yep. I'm gonna go bring in the car now.
You are destroying record, and that's a violation as well. Thank you. I appreciate you guys not at all.
Penguin's being arrested right now, guys. Sorry, hard to see in the with the Yes.
they released me.
There you go. Good. We
Because
didn't want
I
that.
explained to them that
Here, I'm gonna
leaving
hand you
slowly
this.
is leaving.